Have you ever looked up and wondered how those fluffy clouds float in the sky? Well, how about making a tiny cloud right in a jar at home? It's quite magical, and all you need is warm water, ice, and some hairspray. Ready to make it rain in a jar? First, let's talk about how clouds form. Clouds are made from water vapor, which is water in its gas form. For a cloud to form, this vapor needs to cool down and change back into tiny droplets of liquid water. But there's a catch. These droplets need something to cling to, like dust or salt particles in the air. In our experiment, we'll be using a glass jar to create the perfect conditions for cloud formation. Here's how you do it. 1. Pour some warm water into the bottom of a clear glass jar. This warm water will fill the jar with water vapor, just like the water vapor in the air. 2. Quickly spray a bit of hairspray into the jar and immediately close the lid. The hairspray has tiny particles that will serve as condensation nuclei, the little bits around which water droplets can form. 3. Place some ice cubes on the lid of the jar. The ice will cool the water vapor, just like how air cools in the atmosphere. As the vapor cools and the water droplets form around the hairspray particles, you'll see a beautiful little cloud take shape inside the jar. This process mimics how real clouds form in our sky. Now, let's peek into the sky full of different clouds. There are fluffy cumulus clouds that look like cotton candy, thin cirrus clouds that stretch like wisps of hair, and dark stratus clouds that spread across the sky like a blanket, often bringing rain. Clouds play a big role in our weather. They can bring sunshine or storms, depending on their type and movement. Cumulus clouds often indicate fair weather, while nimbus clouds are a sign of rain or storms approaching. So, by making a cloud in a jar, you're not just seeing science at work. You're getting a taste of the weather dance happening high above our heads every day. Isn't it incredible how something as simple as hairspray and warm water can help us understand the sky? Subscribe, like, and share for more.